Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Mazda 6 Classic Sedan, stock reference number 5639. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2010 through to the 11th month 2012. It has a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left front factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, right hand boot lid garnish, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front door has no damage, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater control, 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.